This feels right. Can you stop talking for a minute? Stop yelling at me. I'm trying. Why do you think I took up meditation in the first place? Okay, shh. Silence. This candle is making me look so damn spiritual. How long am I going to do this for? I think 10 minutes is good. How long it has been already, by the way? Let me check. No, you're not supposed to open your eyes. What? Why? Then you lose the locus of your focus. Hey, but I don't have any locus or focus yet, okay? That's why you need meditation. Now shut the fuck up and sit and don't open your fucking eyes, okay? You say a lot of fuck, Anshita. And plus, I'll quickly open my eyes and have a quick look at the watch. What? It's only been a minute. Okay, everything is good. Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, I like that. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in. Wait, do I smell vada pav? Vada pav in Germany. It's vada pav. Someone's making vada pav in the building. Okay, first of all, you aren't even a fan of vada pav. And secondly, it must be aloo. Germans eat a lot of aloo. Yeah, I know they have all kinds of aloo dishes. But what if someone is there making vada pav in my building? You know, someone living in my building from Pune or Mumbai. I have a fantastic idea. I should make a video about it. Okay, speaking of videos, you have to finish other pending videos first before adding 1 million ideas that you get every day. Alright, man. So many video ideas and no time, yaar. I mean, sometimes I feel, what do I do? How do I manage everything? I have these other jobs to do to support myself, pay my bills. So I have 3 days left out of a week to make a video. And do you know how much time does it take to make one video? 4 days. Do the maths. I mean, yaar, with that speed, how am I going to make so many videos I want to make? Hey, it's all good. See, now you're letting your emotions out. It's working. It's good. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out. Oh yeah, this shit is working. You need to focus on what deserves your attention, Anshita. Positive energy. Remember? Yes. Good vibes. Self-acceptance. Clear headspace. Spine vertically straight. Breathe in. Breathe. Wait. Should I not post a picture? I mean, would it not be inspiring to others, They would also take up meditation. I feel responsible. People follow me and, they look up to me. And of course, why not? Yeah, sure. Everybody will just assume that there was some spirit in your house who got so drawn to your spirituality and how amazing you are at your meditation thing that they couldn't help but take a picture of this natural phenomenon, and then they made sure you have the picture so you could post it online. Because if you meditate and nobody sees a picture of you, did you even meditate? No, right? Sarcasm, bitch. Well, or they can just assume it was my husband. I mean, he's no less than a spirit from the other world, You know what I mean? I mean, for example, take this. I've told him 1,000,000 times to put water in the utensils, otherwise it's really hard for me to wash them. But he still forgets it. So, it only means one thing. I think he's from a different planet. And he's not understanding the language I speak. Okay, my back's really hurting now. And my right leg is numb. My hips are crying for help. And this stupid new bra that I bought, it's fucking irritating. I think it's almost 10 minutes now. Okay, a real quick glance. Nobody's watching. You suck at it, Anshita. You suck at it. Hey, don't judge. It's only my 10th day today, and I'm already seeing a lot of improvement, okay? Really? Like what? I mean, my sub thoughts production rate has reduced so much. It has gone down from 70,000 thoughts per day to 69,566 thoughts. I'm pooping like 600 to 700 grams per day. You know, I'm able to get 7 hours of uninterrupted sleep, and I'm eating on time. Eating has never been a problem for you, okay? Even if you had like a nervous breakdown in the middle of the day, a plate of biryani would cheer you up in a second. Wait, why the hell did you bring biryani? You had to, right? You had to. You're testing me. You think I have no control? Huh? Here, I'm gonna prove this to you. I mean, to myself. I'm gonna sit here and not think about a single thing. Okay? Here you go. Should I tell them to subscribe to my channel? No. They're very intelligent and spiritual. They know what to do. What if they don't? You have to trust them, you know? They'll subscribe. They'll do what they need to do. Don't tell them. And shut the fuck up.